Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our new topic that is mouse or mouse actions. What are the things we can do by using for mouse, right? See, basically a mouse action is nothing but anything you can able to see, like if your cursor is moving, right? That is the one kind of action, and you can able to etch over into that particular location. It will populate some kind of color, okay? Whether you are exact location or not, okay? And if you do something like if you single click, there is an element that is not able to help you. And if you click for double click, it will come for the value. Okay, that moment we can able to say mouse action, that is a double click. Okay, you can see in this case, if I refresh here, see there is a no value. If I click one time and again gap, but still it is not coming. If I click for double click, see now it is able to come to the value, right? It is populated. Then we can able to do one kind of things. Okay, see, whenever you mouse over, there are two kind of values come. This is called mouse over. Again, like this you can able to do for mouse action. This is a mouse over actions. This is a drag and drop. Okay, one place to another place you can able to drag it. Okay, sliding, you can able to do how much you want, you can do it. Okay, based upon the price will be increased, we can able to see that as so. Okay, scroll, you can able to scroll something. You can scroll last value up to last value. Like this you can able to scroll how many elements you want to scroll, that many you can click and you can scroll it. These all are under come into the mouse actions. Okay, how you can able to do this kind of operations. Now in this particular session I'm going to show you, double click on this particular element and it will get the value here, and we are going to verifying that value whether it is be available or not. Okay, double click action. This is the first action we are going to performing by using our Playwright C Sharp. Okay. And now for this, I'm going to copy this entities. So this not required. And this I'm going to use for three double click action. Okay. Double click action. For this, I'm going to use for this particular URL. Okay. In this URL, based upon that URL, I'm going to click for this particular. For this, again, I'm going to find this locator. I'm copying directly because I have already one exact one to bring it. I'm pasting here and then I'm going to use for here. There is a method called dbclick. Dbclick sync functionality. This will give you two double click action. Okay, we can able to click dbclick. Dbclick is nothing but double click action. Okay, dbl, sorry, dbl is a double click action. Okay, once we are clicked, it will give you some result into this particular location. We need to inspect this particular element, or you can directly copy to that locator. Because I have selected a hub locator, that's why I'm going directly copying. Otherwise, you can able to see the after that you can, there is a ID field is there. Okay, you can take the ID as well. Okay, there is no issue for that. Okay. Now, what I need to expect? What I'm going to expecting a page dot allocator. In this locator, I'm going to paste in this particular locator, and there is a method called to have a value sync. Value sync. By using that, you can able to verify whether that particular field is having full value or not. Then how to verify? We can use, there is a method called regs, and in this particular method you are going to pass what kind of value are you expecting, this value, whether that particular value it is presented or not. Okay, and after that you can use for here a wait functionality to wait for the particular element. Otherwise our script will be a failure, will happen. Okay, now Now again I'm doing this one. My disk has got fast. Okay. Like this we can able to do for double click action. And even we can do for H over. That I will show you into the next video session. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.